right, there we go. Sound should be okay, so hopefully if someone is already here can confirm, because I did, before I go live, I did a test. I needed to swap my microphone 4 times back to the one, back to number 2, back to number 1, back to number 2 before Windows picked up the microphone, which is stupid. And I forgot my lights again. I'm fairly consistent in forgetting my lights. So I hope everyone is doing okay. I have some more plastic pieces that I can do, so let's do that. So yeah, a little bit short. Like, I had a stream on Tuesday and was like, hey, I can do one more again. So today's focus is mostly focused on the branding of the lamp, that I can actually have a system in place that has a little bit of my name on it. So it's probably gonna get stolen, because that's, here we go again. We're having some bad luck with the magnets, and oh, these are flat. Yep. So to actually make, there we go, to get some names on it, from at least me, of course, to do that in a way that it's hopefully slightly more of a pain to actually remove. And I can unstack this one up. There we go. To be slightly more of a pain, where hopefully the thieves just keep my name in. So even if someone that just steals the files and resells it or puts it on a website for selling, that it becomes a little bit easier to track and to actually see what's going on. So I can do different files on different versions and see where they get stolen from. Because of course I will put it on printables, that's the main source. But I will also do my best to put it on all the other websites where I can sell things too, with a slightly different alteration to it. So I can, even when you remove all my text, I can still spot that I can still spot from which source the file came from. And if one specific website is just too much, we just don't go there anymore. Because cool, yeah, I make some profit there, but if it gets stolen more, then why? At least that's my thinking of actually setting that all up, and hopefully that goes all right. Magnets are doing weird today. They're a little bit more funky now. Almost out of green pieces, and then we can focus on the lamp again. Okay, these are also loose. Let's see if this works. Anyway, it's pretty rainy here, and yeah. I am... Oh, this is the small stack. Whoops. Yeah, well, that's why I did make this. It's like not that great. The magnets were too small. They just didn't fit. Probably this one too. Yeah. Too small. Too small, too small, too small. Okay, again. I am not having luck with the magnets today. I grabbed the wrong stack, of course. There we go, that one clicked in, so this one is good. So I had some small ones in the big stack, which sucks. Anyway, I got some more pieces. Let's put these away. I was trying to do some maker coins, and I had some small accidents. So like, if it zooms in, come on, you can do it. Okay. Why are you not zooming in, huh? I know you can do it. There we go. So yeah, my first maker coins that I remade were not with the right settings, and yeah, went a little bit bad. But got slightly better. Nailed down the moving part too. So now they're good. And red, green, and yellow, because that was the Peggy that I had. So I was like, why not do different outside colors? And this one is a little bit sluggish, but I got this one a little bit smaller, so they're going a little bit more smooth. And at least it's an interactive. I have too many people like you give them the coin and they directly just start. Without even noticing that they're like, they fidget with it, and then now they can fidget with it. Like, oh, I can fidget with it. That was really cool on Sport Saturday. Gave someone this coin, and the person was fidgeting with it without even realizing it was a fidget. So, coin success? Yes. Yeah, I got a couple in just different colors. I tried to get blue too, but I currently don't have Peggy that is blue. Like, I have really tiny bits of red and yellow and green. So that was the best I could do, and hopefully more Peggy is coming in a little bit later, but buying a whole roll for just a couple coins is still the budget I currently don't have, so yeah. Anyway, let's focus on the lamp and see how we can do that. There we go. There we go. A little bit higher. Get the angle of the camera right. And go into the computer and don't put you on 8 hours so I don't get interrupted on Discord. Alright, there we go. First of all, I'm happy with this top. Top is great. We still need to work on the bottom and get the branding in place and do all that. So what I kind of want to do, because we have relines, so if I do relines 3D, then I can do this one here, get some small pop out of text and do that. So at least I can do this. There we go. Let's get you there. Let's do that. Then let's get a focus point. And then we'll do U midpoint to here. Cool, because now we have we can still do this. Nice. So if we create a text, simple text, I'm always a little bit of the point of like, do you do created by yep. Created by -3. Think that's good. A little bit. What? Okay. What? This is going on here. Fusion. Fusion being fusion. Okay. Created by Reliance 3D. And now we do that. Right. Cancel. Yeah, I'm being clumsy today. 20. Wow, it's not really going that great, huh, Fusion? Why are you not even showing me the thing? There we go. Fusion, can you not? So I can do this. Then we can do 0.4. And the next one is gonna be a little bit harder, because this is one you can easily remove. The next one is gonna take more steps to do that. At least I hope. And then we have this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. R E L O E O N S. Re L E O N S. Reliance 3D. Okay, cool. Body fusion, come on, you can do it. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, Fusion is having a field day with me, huh? Yeah. Can we create a text at this point? A little bit smaller, please. 10. Cool. Hey. R. Line is okay for now. Can I do parallel with this one? Okay, that is good. Then we need to do this one to this one. And can we also do this to this? Okay, now I can create edit text. Then making it a little bit harder. So if we do this alignment, we can always set them up. We do that 10, we remember that one. And do that. Yes. And now we're going to the next one. We say another text. Line it up with this. E. Oh, we need to capitalize that one too. Oops. And 10. Please remember, Fusion, I typed in 10, not. Okay, now we need to align parallel with this one. And we need to align this one with this one. And you with you. Edit text back to normal. And that should be that one. Edit text, is this a capital R? Yes. And then I want do the same. We're gonna repeat the process and do that a couple more times. I'm sad that I cannot duplicate the text in a way that should work, but yeah. "20 spacing up." There we go. Okay. You need to be parallel with this one. There we go. And you to you. And you to you, which makes the same alignment. At least it should be. Yeah, it looks the same. Looks the same. There we go. And we're gonna repeat the process. Text. Normal eye is better. Yeah, normal eye is better. Okay, now you remember all the things. Okay. Parallel with you. And then you to you. Huh. Why? This one is lined up, this one is lined up. Why is the eye not lined up? So if we make it... that does not look great. I dislike this. Oh, this is so off. Oh, this is off. Oh, boo. Boo, 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 boo. 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 Ah, boo. Boo, 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 boo. Cancel. Ah, boo. Boo, 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 boo. Ah, oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Where is this one? Okay, this is not working. So you are going again. I'm trying to, well, give my text a little bit more branding's name, so when people actually see that my name is still everywhere on the inside. I don't want my name on the outside. I really don't want to do that. But I'm gonna do my best to make as much design of my work where you can actually see my name and find me. Well, people that just buy the model for reselling needs to put in a shit ton of effort to actually remove my text. At least I try, and having a little bit of fun with it. So you are going parallel, and you are going parallel. But if I line this up perfectly like this, it's like I do with the rest, that the eye is off center. And this is a little bit better. Because if we go to this one, it looks more centered. The E looks better, and the eye was just full off. So it's like, I need to fix that. Well, we're gonna make it slightly harder and do all that, so yeah. But yeah, and then slowly just getting more and more text in and just be slightly annoying. Just be slightly annoying. Yep, okay. But to keep all the text aligned, you still need to do all this. Oh, no. we go. So almost there, reliant, and then 3. And the N here. But yeah, making it slightly more painful for them while I put in a lot of work too, and yeah. Hopefully it just evens out. That is not centered, this feels centered. Last one for this one. But yeah, how's the day going there? Yep, can't misclick. Hey, oh, oh, nope, nope. I'm misclicking today a lot. Yes, let's line it up. With this one, thank you. There we go, get that fine-tuned in. There we go, okay. Oh, in the evening work. That works too. Let's line up this one. Okay, finish sketch. Right. Minus 0.4. Oh, do you want to add a serial build number? I'm not sure if I want to do that. But if we do that, then I need to update it every time I make a fix. And also not looking forward for that one. So if I do that, yeah, yeah. Do you want to do a way where you can add a serial number or print number? Is that something I want to do? I don't think I want to do that, but at the same time... Wait, what? Man, me thinking I spelled my name wrong. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Like, is it needed or is it just? I have no interest to put it on the outside. That's one thing I just don't want to do. I preferably do not that. Wait, that's too high. So we have a depth, we have a cut. So this one is fine. Okay. Now we have that one. Empty bottom can be going. Because logo on the outside I'm fine, but. Oep. Herschel. If you're still here. Like, yellow, green, and red coins. I think they look decent. So I can just use different outsides to add some color to my coins and differentiation. We're not talking about, wait, the bad ones should be in here too. Where did I hit the bad ones? There. These are the good ones. I lost the bad coins. I lost the bad maker coins. I lost them. I lost them. I lost them. I have no clue where the bad ones are. I think it was mostly me not doing it on maker coin settings and normal settings, so that went way too fast and way too aggressive, and you need some fine tweaking for the small details. So I probably screwed that one up. Yep. So we have that one. Okay, so let's make a new one where we got that in. Components. That's a part. Ready. B. And we make this also a component. Now we have that. Then we go to that, like go socket, then we say copy to here. Then I can remove this one and I can disable this one again, and then we go to the bottom. Yeah, I need to do this double. I need to do this double. Double. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay, so go back to here. Let's double check if all the lines are. Yeah. Oh, good job, Fusion. You can actually do it. I think it was here. There we go. Empty bottom. Let's. Come on, Fusion! You can do it! Boo! Putting everything in one file. I know. I should not do that. Alright, there we go. Now we have to get one. Okay, so that one is ready. Now we go for empty bottom back again here. Now we can do all that. Ready, set, go. Yes. Alright, so now we're gonna open up this one, and we have way too many stuff here, of course. So everybody's closed. I need to order this one too, because we have way too many stuffs. Alright, so gonna go for that one, and we're gonna go for that one. And then I can only see that one. Okay, now we're gonna create a text here. This one we're gonna go for this. Created by lines 3D. I can make it. This is big enough, I think. 13. Oh, if this fits, that would be so cool. Never mind, so we need a different path here, because we have some air gap spacing, so we'll do this. And then we're gonna trim this one and this one. And now we create the text. Let's see if this feels a little bit better. Created by lines 3D. And we have that one. Okay, that is slightly better. So 13. Now I think we can be able to do. Can we do it on the opposite area too? Text. And then that needs to be there, so we need to flip and flip it. Yes. Created by lines 3D. Boo. 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 Okay, how do we do that? 12, 14, that's always misaligned. Okay, let's see how we can make this spaced off that. So I know it's in this bed, so let's create this one and this one. And let's create you. And now we're gonna create the text again on this one. Created by Reliance 3D. There we go. Okay, almost. But if we line it up decently now, not what I wanted. Come on, Fusion, I'm just adding text. Okay, you and you. You should be fixed, so that one is fixed, because if we move that one, we get that problem. Okay. Come on, Fuchsia, you can do it. Oh, you can do it. Come on. Okay, you and you. Oh, Fusion is not having a great day. Oh. This is not right. There should be an opening here. What? Huh? What? Where's my key? Where's my what's the thing called again? Not power plug. Oh. What? Okay, I made it duplicate. Okay. I did an oopsie, I did an oopsie. At least I do that. the hell did I just repair that one to? Okay, I lost completely where I was. Okay. Okay, that one is a no-go, so we're gonna do this. And we're gonna do that. Okay, yeah. Minus 0.6. Objects to cut. MTP lamp. So this one is this one and this one. That should be that one. Yes, that's both. Why is it not picking up the last one? So it picks up the first two, but it's refusing to do that one because it's in a different sketch, or? Where did it go? Where did it go? Now it did. Okay, now it did. Okay, now we can do that one. And we're gonna go for this one, but then we need this one here, which we can't. Okay, how to go from round to flat. Oh, this is so long ago that I did this. Okay, first of all, let's get tangent plane that direction. Let's do that plus minus. Make a sketch on that one. Make this one. And then create a text. What did this mean? And flip. 5, 6, yes, okay. Lines 3D. Okay, then we have this one here. Then we say this text, finish sketch. And where was that thing? Emboss. Ew, right. How do we curve that? How do we curve that? How? How do we do this? So we have this one. Ah, there. Oh. Not the layer thing correction I wanted, so. Okay, we can fix this, so let's do that. Okay, let's get back into the sketch. And let's get that one there too. Okay, you need to have this one. Okay, and you for now, put these there, because I need to deselect it. Get to the midpoint of this one. Okay, now I want this. Okay, you gone. You. I can select you. Okay, so now what should work? The fusion doesn't freeze so much. Come on, it's on the line. I know it's round, and I know we have bad ways of calculating that. Okay, awesome. So now, okay, you and new alignment with this one. Now I can still do that. Nice. Okay. Finish sketch. No. Okay, now we can make the text here. Because we want to make it on the curve. So now we can do that. Reliance 3D. And we say top. And we say 7. Finish sketch, and boss will break. Yep. Bodies. Oh, okay. Wrong sketch again. Cool. Okay, where's the emboss? What? Huh? I cannot add a second one, you silly thing. That should work, so. I cannot select the second face because it. Okay. 2 up and boss. Okay, we got this one. Now we're gonna do emboss again. 2 up. Do that one again. Now we're going for this one. High one and the bottom one. So that's that one and that's that one. So now we have both. With higher capability, so we can do that. Okay, so that is good. Now we're going back to this sketch because now yeah, that feels okay. That feels okay. Okay, cool. So now we can move this one, and we get 2 text created by lines, and we'll insert in an angle, which is a lot harder to remove because you just need to cube it. And if you cube it, I can directly spot, and if they cube it, then I cannot change that. So I think this in the shape is good. For multicolor on the inside, it's already there. This one is here, and this one is here. Okay, awesome. Emboss text, because I need to find this one. What? Wait, is my... No. Okay, I'm not getting warnings here, so that is good. Okay, that should be a good thickness, so we have this one in place and this one in place. Oof, awesome. Yeah, yep. Okay, we got that in place, we got that in place. And we have that one, and we have that one. Okay, now we have that one in place. If you want to use that one, you can. If you don't, you can.
You are listening to 24/7 London Radio.
Yeah, this is fine. This is good for now. Now I just want to add this piece. So let's get actually in the. Let's create a copy. Create that copy in place. Let's remove this one. Empty. Then we can go back here. Hey everyone, welcome back. Okay, we got that in place. Now I kind of want to make a small cube that fits a line there and fits a line there. Okay, so it happens, man. I think it's also Thursday evening is a lot of other streams, and I didn't announce this one pretty much, but it is what it is. And I also know that this is not the most active view to watch because I'm thinking myself too of like how to build it, where to build it, and when to build it. Like that process takes a long of time, and I know some people are very impatient and just want to see the end result, which my shape of live streaming is not end result. It's all the steps in between and failing and crashing and almost mentally giving up because you're in a time of like, why the hell am I doing this? And then 10 minutes later you're like, oh, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm totally not going insane. No. Yeah, it's not for everyone, this type of live stream, so okay, so let's create some small extra parts that closes this off if you don't use these two, so you can actually make it a little bit less obvious like this. So first of all, let's create a sketch. And let's get that one in place too. And do that. So let's go by 10. And then align this one to this one. Oh. Oh. Oh, I did a small oopsie here. Yeah, I did a small oopsie here. Yep. Okay. Yep. So, plus minus here. Plus minus here. Let me say this one and this one. Let me say new body. Then we're gonna use this one as the tool. No, target body is this one. Select tool bodies. Keep tools. There we go. Keep the tool. Same with the other one. And select tool body. Keep the tool. Okay, then we can remove this one. Cool. Oop. No, I've not slept much, so I'm getting slightly tired. Oh well. Cancel. I selected you. Oh, boo! Okay. I just like this, so sweep. Objects to cut, double check on body 7, yes. Okay, I have this one in place, so I do sketch here and do the same process of removing the outline. No, this one is correct because I actually lined it up. Okay. Lesson learned, line things up. Okay. Wait, what? Ooh. Oh, that was a widget. Okay, now we have that one in place. That is fine. Now we just need to get... Blah, I'm getting tired. Woo! I feel tired once in a moment. Ugh, tired. Not the way I want to sleep. And let's check my sugar. Being diabetic is not fun, and now my sugar is high. Okay. Where is that? Let's check that. Okay. Let's go there. Okay, so let's do this one now. Okay, let's go for 5. Let's go for 3. Let's go for this one. Let's do a quick mirror because I don't want to do it tiny. Six down. And let's do the same here. Should have done it in the same sketch for proper tapping. Okay. Now I'm getting tired. And Fusion is not working with me. As you can see, it's crashing a lot. Right, there we go. Found it. Okay. 3. Repeat the mirror process to this one. Finish sketch. I also need to extrude. Okay, now we can go for this one, and then we say new, select tool, cut and cut. And then you can click those in if you don't use it, so you get a little bit better surface space here. Print it from this direction up, So this area should be the same, plus minus. So to prevent that, let's put this one here, chamfer. I said chamfer, not fillet, please, thank you. Chamfer up. Okay, now we're gonna go remove these ones again. And we do a small press pull. Minus 0.1. This one, this one. Okay. Now we can go back to these two again. Nice. Everything goes down and up. I think this needs a couple print tests to actually nail it down, but I will make that possible. Then you can both plug them in, which should be fine, and press pull 0.4 down. So they never stick out by accident. A little bit pressed down, and at least you can close the hole off that you don't use. I'm gonna keep some space open here because I think someone from 3D Musketeers wants to make his own plugin, and if I get that shape in place, I can install that opening on this side, so you can do that yourself and get some shapes in there. So that should work too. So you can plug the thing in yourself and hopefully make it USB. That's the goal, or I will make that here or here. That's why the opening here, and I have my name here, so that should be fine. Yes. Okay, I need to test print this one, so let's switch to the core one, and I need to find some black, or am I gonna do this with a random color? Do I want to do this with a random color, or am I gonna do it with black? I kind of want to do it with black, but I need charcoal black in. Starlight Neptune. I'm pretty sure I had another spool of black somewhere. I saw a full spool. Where did I hide it? Black. No, no. No, that's an empty box. Where? I'm pretty sure I had a full spool of charcoal black somewhere. No, that is lime green, that is yellow. Jake blue. So that's an empty spool. That is blue, that is red. Where I have seen a solid box of charcoal black here somewhere. Is this the one? Yeah, charcoal black. Got it. Found it. Found the black. Okay, let's put you over here. Over there. that one. Okay. Let's grab a knife. Don't drop it on my feet. And do all that. Yep. Okay, load up the core 1. Okay, that is loading in. U1 is currently not printing, so that is fine. Let's set up the PLA. Let's save the file. And actually test this one. Okay, so I want to save you. This is the only one I have ready. So can I? Oh no, okay, I get. Export. Lamp. Oh, right. I hate you. I hate you. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. The moment you have two Prusa slicers open, the account will always disconnect. It's annoying because I have one open for the B lamp collection and one for just printing, and it keeps kicking me out. See, now I'm locked in, but the moment you have two slicers open from the same, it just kicks out. It doesn't matter if I lock in onto both, because I am currently locked in a both, but it will disconnect you. Like, it's very annoying, but that happens. No. And this one. Cool. And this one needs to be lined up there. This one needs to be lined up there. Okay. Now, print settings, infill a little bit higher. Let's go for 25. And slicey slice. That should be fine. Yeah, like they need to fix that shit, because like it's like as you can see, I already have 3 open with Orca Slice. Orca Slice is doing it fine, but Prusa is the one that always disconnects me. But the Orca one, it remembers devices and it remembers all devices. That never disconnects me out. But the moment I do it with Prusa, 2 slicers opens, like, dude, you need to fix that shit. Very, very good. Like, it's annoying. Okay, so we have that opening and that opening. That should be fine. This is a print time of, should be 2.5 hours. Yes. And this should give the thickness. Yes. Right, I need to work on this one, but I'm gonna print it like this. That should be fine. Yes. Okay, yeah. Yes, yes, send to connect. Okay, okay. Nozzle is a little bit dirty, so let's clean that up. Okay, that should be fine now. Let's get that in place. Now let's cancel, print again, send to connect. Now I can set ready print. Okay, cool. Well, this is done. Well, 1.5 hour stream. I'm kind of done for now, and I realized, yeah, I need to do some grocery shopping. So before I run out of time, I will do that. Okay, so I have some text in place that has some markers. I want to add some more in some finicky places, but I also don't want to overdo it for print quality wise. So I will print this one. It's 2 hours, and I will see if this one just snaps in. It doesn't have to be sturdy, it needs to be in place, because the moment you put the lamp in top, it just covers up the opening, that you don't have a gaping hole there. That should be fine. Should be fine. Yeah, should be fine. Printing wise should be good. So yeah. Anyway, thank you all for watching and see you next time.